Hey everybody, welcome back to another JQ on the Go video. So in this video, I have more clips of my 1999 Ford Mustang GT. These are some older clips from my GoPro when I lived in New York of myself replacing the cowl vent hood on the front of the car. So this vent, as many of you know, cracks, fades, all that fun stuff. And in my case, the vent cracked, so here is just a couple of clips, a little DIY of me installing the vent on my car.
Okay, so I'm gonna grab the other camera, but as you can see, I'm literally just breaking this up with a screwdriver just to get it all out. Then we're gonna try to put in the new valance. We gotta save a couple of things, like you gotta save these little guys with the hoses, of course, as you've probably seen from other videos, because if you're watching this video, you probably have watched other videos. So no further ado, here we go. Okay, so as you can see in here, this I've already oh, get that piece. So you can see I already kind of broke this guy up here. The windshield wiper is actually really easy to get off. It's just a little tab. I'll show you when I put them back in, but you just push the tab, pull up, and then again we got to make sure we get all of our hoses with our connections. And now we're gonna go under here and take off this insulation, or I should say weather stripping. Gonna set this aside, and we're gonna reuse this. Oh. So this is the box here from LMR. You can see it was nicely packed. Had those little pieces of cardboard. So the next thing you're gonna want to look for on these is these little tiny screw push pins. There's going to be 3 of them, one here, one in the middle, and then one all the way down at the end. That releases it from this plastic piece here.
So here we are removing the old vent, so make sure you tilt it up a little bit, take out the hoses and the nozzle, as you will be reusing some of this hardware on your new vent.
So now the cowl vent is off. Just gonna spray this with a little bit of Windex to clean this up, because you can see it's been sitting here for a bit. And I would recommend just getting a shock vac or something, vacuuming out some of this. I'm gonna do that just to clear that out. I don't know if you can see all the debris. And this is our old vent, all broken up and even had a little bit of overspray. And these are the little guys you want to save. You got to save your original knobs. And this connection is going to be like this. So there's one on this side right here and one over there. This puppy just got to get popped back on. And now let's plop these guys into here. You just like pinch the back. It goes on just like that. I'll move over to this one. When I say pinch the back, that's what I'm talking about. I don't know if you can see it. It moves a little bit. This little clip right here. Okay. Probably couldn't see that at all, but it's the thought that counts. And now that's on. Got it pretty much lined up here. Now I'm going to close the hood. See if I can get it to fit all the way. You can see very nice finish and everything. This was from LMR. So next I recommend you push in these little tabs on the side here. You can see it's kind of buckled in the middle. Already connected the hoses back for these guys, and we already saw from before we got our little squirters on. There should be some clips here you're going to push into these little holes right there. And see, these little marks are actually where the creases are. So there's a little tab right here you have to push and they go all along the front. The weather stripping here is all good now. This is the product number for the little tabs that are gonna go right in there, there. It was actually kind of ironic. The little tabs I had on mine were just not there. They were missing. Weather. So I'll throw in some pictures, but as you can see, the cowl vent is now on. And I tested it, as you can see, from the water, or the windshield fluid. So make sure to subscribe, like, comment down below anything else you might like to see, and have a great day.
So I really hope you enjoyed this video. As always, make sure to check out the rest of the channel. And I would like to apologize for any of the audio, the wind noise, if it was a little shoddy. As you can tell, this was one of my earlier audio tapes using the GoPro, but much more is to come, so I hope you stick around. I'll catch you next time. Bye!